How does an automatic motorbike wash work? This is a perfectly understandable question because until now, most of us have been familiar with manual motorbike washings, where employees use high-pressure water hoses, misform and screw in detail of the vehicle. When hearing the term automatic, many people feel curious, but also somewhat hesitant, wondering if this system is complicated, difficult to operate, and whether it's truly effective. In reality, if understood correctly, an automatic motorbike wash is not an overly complex technology, but rather an optimization of the entire traditional motorbike washing process by introducing machinery to replace repetitive steps, making the cleaning process faster, more stable, more uniform, and significantly reducing reliance on human labor. To understand how this system works, we need to look back at the process of a traditional manual motorbike wash. Typically, a motorcycle entering a bike wash undergoes several consecutive steps. First, it is sprayed with water to wet the entire vehicle. Then, a bike wash solution or foam is applied, followed by scrubbing its areas such as the wheels, body, and undercarriage with brushes or cloths. Then rinsing with water and finally drying before handling the vehicle back to the customer. This entire process can take from a few minutes to over 10 minutes, depending on the level of dirt on the vehicle and the speed of the stop. When customer volume increases, the stop is forced to increase stock to meet demand. Otherwise, congestion and long waiting time will occur. Therefore, the challenge is how to maintain cleaning efficiency while shortening the time, reducing reliance on human labor, and ensuring stability in the service process. This is why automatic motorbike wash machines have been introduced. In principle, automatic motorcycle wash machines are designed to automate the main step in the bike washing process. When a vehicle is brought into the washing area, the operator presses the button and the system starts with a high-pressure water check. This is an extremely important step as it scrapes the entire surface of the vehicle and washes away coarse dirt such as roaders, sands, or mud. During daily use, motorcycles often accumulate a lot of impurities. If not softened beforehand, subsequent cleaning steps will be less effective. Thanks to the scientifically arranged nozzle system, water can simultaneously reach multiple areas of the vehicle, such as the wheels, undercarriage, and body without needing to manually move its point. This saves considerable time and ensures that the entire vehicle is treated evenly from the very first step. After the vehicle has been wet, the system switches to spraying the cleaning solution or channel foam. This is a specialized solution capable of dissolving stubborn dirt such as grease, long-standing dirt, or hammer. The biggest difference compared to manual washes is that the automatic system can apply cleaning solution to almost the entire vehicle at once, instead of requiring stock to move around the body to treat its area individually. The nozzles are designed at various angles to have the solution reach even harder to reach area, like the undercarriage or wheels. After the solution has had time to work, the system performs a high-pressure water check to wash away all the foam and remaining dirt. Thanks to the strong water pressure combined with the optimized design, many areas of the vehicle are cleaned quickly without the need for as much manual labor as before, while ensuring uniformity across the vehicle. The entire process usually takes only a few minutes, significantly faster than traditional bike washing methods, and this is what surprised many people when they first observed the system in operation. However, it is important to understand that automatic bike washes don't completely replace the role of human worker. In reality, staff still plays a critical role in the smooth operation of the system. It guides customers to the correct parking space, ensuring vehicles are positioned precisely within the washing area, or optimal system performance. After washing, staff will inspect the vehicle, address many additional details requiring more attention, and perform finishing tasks such as drying before returning them to the customer. This combination of machinery and human expertise ensures both speed and quality, with machine handling repetitive tasks at high speed and human ensuring the final finish and aesthetic appeal. From the perspective of those who have implemented this model, the most noticeable benefit is that the operational process is much more streamlined, stable, and easier to control than before. By no longer relying solely on a large workforce, the staff can reduce management pressure while maintaining service speed, especially during peak hours. Furthermore, fast bar washing significantly reduces customer waiting time, thereby enhancing the experience and increasing the livelihood of a big business. Of course, for the model to effective careful consideration of location, traffic flow, and overall operational organization is still necessary. But if implemented correctly, automatic bar wash machine not only optimize the process, but also improve efficiency. This process not only lays the foundation on a stable, long-term, and easily scalable operating model, but it also creates a solid foundation for future growth. For those who already have a suitable location or want to build a clear, easily manageable service model with minimal reliance on labor, this is a very worthwhile direction to explore and seriously consider before implementation. You can contact Go&Go for more detail about the model. Thank you for watching, and we will look forward to seeing you in the future video.